My dear childrens, I hope you all are fine. In this video, I will be teaching you chapter number 9, which is boxes and sketches. Okay, this is a new chapter, chapter 9, boxes and sketches. So, before we start with the chapter, as we always do, we will read the key ideas for review, which is always very important. So, first point is boxes and sketches make us aware about three-dimensional shapes and their representation on paper. Okay, so here we come to know that there are boxes. You know what is a box and you know what is a sketch. So, boxes and sketches. So, it makes us understand about three-dimensional shapes. Okay, 3D shapes जो होते हैं, three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so you might have heard 3D like 3D movies or 3D games. So that is 3D. Full form of 3D is three dimensional. Okay, so three dimensional shapes we will understand when we will see various boxes and sketches over here and their representation on paper. So how we can draw sketches on paper, 3D sketches on paper. That is what the first point is all about. Second is area perimeter determination become easy by box diagram. Okay, yes, it is. Areas and perimeter, finding out area and finding out the perimeter is it becomes easy while if when we take the help of box diagrams. Okay, so boxes draw करोगे तो area and perimeter find out करना is very easy. Third point is cube is a magic mathematical tool. Conventional method of drawing cube is very useful for maths puzzles. Okay, so here they are talking about cube. Okay, so this cube have six equal sides. Okay, have you seen a dice? अगर आप गेम्स खेलते हो स्नेक एंड लैडर वाला गेम खेलते हो, सो यू माइट हैव सीन यू प्ले विद द डाइस, है ना? डाइस से आप खेलते हो, तो दैट डाई इज द शेप ऑफ क्यूब. ठीक है, दैट डाइस इट इज स्क्वायर्ड इन शेप एंड six sides it has, and it is a mathematical tool. Okay, so cube is a very important topic in this chapter. Okay, so we have finished the key ideas for review. Let's start the exercise now. Your question number 1 is the dimensions of aquarium are 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter dash cubic centimeter of water would fit in it. Okay, so they have already provided us the hint 50 centimeter into 50 into 50. So they have already provided us the hint कि हमें क्या करना है 50 into 50 into 50. Okay, so your answer will be 1,25,000. Cubic centimeter is already here mentioned here, cubic centimeter, so it is not necessary to write here CUCM. Okay, just write 1,25,000 of water would fit in this aquarium. Okay, so 50 into 50 into 50, so it is not necessary, children, that you have to calculate like again and again when we have zeros. What you will do, what mostly people does is they will multiply like this 15 to 50 0 0 0 0 5 0 0 0, and then here cross, and then 0 5 0 5 5 0 25. I say this is how you usually does, right? So what I suggest is it you can do, if it is easier for you, you can do it faster, then no problem, but I'll give you one trick so that you can multiply the number ending with 0 very easily. Okay, so we have 15 to 15 to 50, right? So what is it? 50 into 50 into 50. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to multiply the number apart from 0. The number apart from 0 is 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is what, children? 25, right? 5 into 5, sorry, you don't need to write here 25. Okay, 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, 25 fiza, what is 25 fiza? You just need to do 25 fiza. Okay, so here I'll do 5 5s are 25, and then one more 5 was there, है ना? So 25 5s are you will do 5 5s are 25 again, 2 5s are 10 11 12, 125 is the answer. Okay, 125 is your answer. So what you will do here is 5 5s are, oh, here I missed 5. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So 125 you will write here directly, and then how many zeros are left? How many zeros are left? 1 2 3. So what you will do here is 1 2 3. Understand, children? So when there is any, when you have to multiply numbers, big numbers or small numbers, but ending with 0, ending with 0 है, तो what you need to do is apart from 0 जो numbers है उसको आपको multiply करना है. जैसे 5 into 5 are 25, 25 5 are, मैंने यहाँ पे करके दिखा आपको, 125 आता आंसर. So 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125, 125 लिख दिया. कितने zeros बच गए? यहाँ का 1 0, यहाँ का 1, यहाँ का 1, total 3 zeros are there. 3 zeros आप ऐड कर दोगे, your answer will be 1,25,000. Okay, children, I hope you understood. So you will not waste time by multiplying 50 into 50 and then again by 50. Okay, so your answer is 1,25,000 cubic centimeter. Your question number 2 is, which one of perimeter, area or volume fits each situation if you need to find out? Okay, so they are saying these are the situation. A, B and C are the situation. What you need to do is, for finding out these situation question, what you need to find it out. For example, I'll help you understand it. First one is, how much fence is needed to go around a yard. So for that you need to understand what is a perimeter, what is volume and what is area. Okay, so I'll tell you in short right now that perimeter, already it is given how much fence is needed to go around a yard. So whenever a question is there about find out the fence of a yard, or find out the fence of a playground, or find out the boundary of a park, or find out the boundary of a building, your house, whatever is it, so whenever they are talking about fences or boundaries, you will find out perimeter. Okay, so perimeter means the distance which is around a shape. अंदर कोई भी शेप हो सकता है, स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल और ट्रायंगल, एनी शेप और सर्कुलर. उसके बाहर का जो डिस्टेंस है, एरिया, बाहर जो भी बाउंड्री है, फेंस है, वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना पड़ता है? पेरीमीटर. Next is, how much water can be filled in a bottle. Okay, so whenever we need to talk, whenever the question is about water, milk or any liquid substance, then any liquid thing, any liquid, whenever you need to find out any liquid substance, then what you will do is you will find out the volume of it. Third one is, how big a carpet will cover the floor. Okay, so in that case you will find out the area. So area, when you will find the area is whenever you have been asked to measure, okay, to measure the size of the surface. Okay, to measure the size of the surface of a shape, of any shape, so at that time you will measure the area. Okay, and always whenever you find out the area, whenever you will find out the area, your answer will be in square units. Okay, whenever you will find out the area, your answer will be in square unit. मतलब आपने find out किया area, आपका आंसर है 125 आंसर है. So 125 आंसर लिखने के बाद लिखोगे square and unit, whatever the unit is, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Okay, like that. So I'll tell you again, perimeter, when you will find out the perimeter, when you have been asked to find out this boundary or about the fence. Okay, whenever you have been asked to find out, to calculate how much is the perimeter, sorry, how much is the boundary or how much is the fence of a park or building or anything, at that time boundary calculate करने बोला है, तो you will find out, you will solve perimeter. कुछ भी लिक्विड सब्सटेंस के बारे में फाइंड आउट करना है तो यू विल फाइंड आउट वॉल्यूम, एंड उसके अलावा एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है when you are asked about the surface. ठीक है, अंदर बाउंड्री के अंदर जो भी डिस्टेंस है ना, जो भी एरिया फिल कर रहा है, तो वो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, तो आपको सरफेस फाइंड आउट करना है, तो यू विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया. Okay, that is all. So here I have written perimeter, volume and area. Question number 3 is cancelled, children, so we are not supposed to do it. Let's move on to our question number 4. Okay, so question number 4 is, choose from the alternatives the boxes that will be formed when figure A is folded. Okay, so this is your figure. This is figure A, and you have been given like this. Okay, this is open cube है. So they have provided you the hint. What are they going to do is fold these squares. ठीक है, ये squares ऐसे दिख रहे हैं ना आपको, 1 2 3 4 5 6 squares. तो 6 squares को fold करके cube बनाएंगे, ऐसा cube बनाएंगे. But they have provided you hint. Here there is a dot and here there is a shaded mark. Okay, so जब box आप बना दोगे तो point and shaded figure कैसा दिखेगा. So you need to do it. So for this you have to do it by your own. I have taken the answers for you all. After solving this activity at your home, you can just correct if you are right or not. Okay, so what you will do, children, here is you will take out a sheet of paper. You will take out a small sheet of paper, and you will cut this, draw like this. In that sheet of paper you will draw like this. Okay, you will draw like this and you will cut that sheet of paper. ऐसे आप कट कर दो. जहाँ पे डॉट है वहाँ पे भी डॉट बना देना, जहाँ पे शेडेड है वहाँ पे भी शेड कर देना. ओके, एक पेपर लो, ऐसा ड्रॉ करो उसमें फिगर. जस्ट यू नीड टू मेक 3, राइट, 1 2 एंड 3. ऐसे ही एग्जैक्टली ऐसा ही ड्रॉ करना है हमको. और ये डॉट जहाँ पे है वहीं पे डॉट भी करना है, ये शेडेड जहाँ पे है वहीं पे शेड भी करना है. एंड इसको आपको फोल्ड करना है, क्यूब बना देना है, बॉक्स बना देना है. एंड देन बॉक्स बनाने के बाद आप देखना कि विच वन इज़ करेक्ट. Okay, so in this first figure, second one is correct. Second also, you make one paper, cut it, and then just make a box and then see which number comes alternatively. Okay, so in B1, okay, fourth one will be the right answer. In the third figure, make it like this. Okay, exactly जहाँ पे F है वहीं पे F लिखना. Exactly draw a paper, draw it on a paper and then cut it and make a box and then see which is the correct box. Okay, here the second box is the correct one. Okay, children, so you have to do this activity at your home. I've given this. Okay, given the answers to you all. You just need to do just 3 draw karne hai, and then you just need to see which box is correct. Okay, let's move on to our question number 5. Question number 5 is: the questions that follow contain a set of 3 figures x, y and z showing a sequence of folding of a piece of paper. Figures show that the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. These 3 figures are followed by your answer figures, from which you have to choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure. Okay, so what is it, children? बड़ा क्वेश्चन है, बट सिंपली इतना ही मीनिंग है कि आपको x, y and z में आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए गए हैं. ओके, मैं हिंदी में समझा रही हूँ ताकि आपको सबको समझ आए. ओके, एक्स, वाई एंड जेड में आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए. दिस इज़ अ शीट ऑफ पेपर. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज़, चिल्ड्रन, बहुत ही अच्छा एक्टिविटी है. मैं बस एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. ये एक्टिविटी बहुत सिंपल है, आप खुद करेंगे. ओके, 5th स्टैंडर्ड में आ गए हो ना, सो यू ऑल आर ग्रोन अप नाउ. सो जस्ट डू दिस एक्टिविटी. आप कोई भी रफ पेज लो, स्क्वायर शेप फिगर लो, उसको स्क्वायर शेप का बनाओ उस रफ पेज को. ओके, आई नो रेक्टेंगुलर शेप के पेपर्स होते हैं आपके. स्मॉल बनाओ, इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी बिग बनाना है आपको. और स्मॉल स्क्वायर शेप का आप रफ पेज ले लेना है. ऐसा नहीं, अच्छा पेज ही लेना है. यू जस्ट पुट द स्क्वायर पेज. सो रफ पेज निकालना, उसका एक स्क्वायर बनाना. एंड देन व्हाट इज़ इट, एक्स में आपको क्या करना है, आपको मिड हाफ से फोल्ड करना है. ओके, दे आर, देखो यहाँ पे एक डॉटेड लाइन्स है ना, तो आपको क्या करना है, वो स्क्वायर को स्क्वायर को एग्जैक्टली हाफ में फोल्ड करना है. ओके, वाई. ओके, सो वाई शेप आप देख रहे हो, एग्जैक्टली हाफ फोल्ड करना है आपको. देखो इस तरह से एरो दिख रही है, उसी तरह आपको पेज को टर्न करना है एंड फोल्ड करना है. एंड देन आपका क्या हो जाएगा, पेपर सिर्फ इतना सा रह जाएगा. ओके, सो आई विल शो यू हियर. Okay, so first your paper, you'll take out a sheet of paper, square sheet of paper. आप क्या करोगे, इसको फोल्ड कर दोगे, इस तरफ फोल्ड कर दोगे. सो कैसा शेप बन जाएगा आपका, फोल्ड कर दोगे तो सिर्फ आधा ऐसा रह जाएगा, है ना. थर्ड फिगर आपको क्या करना है, इस तरफ फोल्ड करना है. ओके, तो आपने क्या करना है, स्क्वायर शेप बन जाएगा, छोटा सा चिट जैसे आप खेलते हो ना, किंग क्वीन, राजा रानी चोर सिपाही से आप खेलते हो, आई डोंट नो, बट चिट्स बना सकते हो. सो ऐसे एक छोटा सा चिट बनाना है आपको. ठीक है, 2 फोल्ड ही करने हैं. एक पहला स्क्वायर शेप है, आपने क्या करना है, इसको मिड हाफ से फोल्ड करना है, तो ये ऐसा बन जाएगा, है ना. ऐसा बन जाएगा, तो आपको यहाँ से फोल्ड करना है बीच से, तो ये ऐसा बन जाएगा. ओके, आफ्टर ऐसा होने के बाद आपको क्या करना है, बीच में एक सर्कल कट करना है. ओके, मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देती हूँ ताकि आपको ड्रॉ करके दिखाऊँ. ओके, ये बीचों बीच आपको एक सर्कल कट करना है. ठीक है, सर्कल कट करने के बाद आपको पेज खोल के देखना है. सो व्हेन यू विल ओपन द पेज, द फिगर विल बी लाइक दिस. तो पेज कैसा दिख रहा होगा आपका, आपने एक ही होल बनाया ना, पर जब आप ओपन करोगे पेज को, वो पेज जो आपने सर्कल बनाया फोल्ड करके, आपको 4 होल्स दिखेंगे. ओके, So this will be your correct answer. So your answer C will be the right one. Again, second में भी आपको यही instruction दिया है, take out a square sheet and then fold it into half and then आपको ऊपर से भी fold करना है like a chit and then क्या करना है, ऊपर एक square cut करना है, नीचे एक square cut करना है. Okay, so when you will open that, you will see the figure like this. ऐसा आपको दिखेगा. Okay, D. So do this activity at your home and you will get these answers. Okay, children. Okay, let's move on to a further question. Very simple chapter this is, question number 5. Sorry, question number 6. Okay, so question number 6 is count the number of cubes in each of the following and write it in the box. Okay, so what is this? Cube is given to you. You can see the cubes and कितने cubes से गिनना है and number boxes में लिखना है. Okay, so first में आपको कैसे कितने cubes दिख रहे हैं आपको? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 cubes दिख रहे हैं. So you have written here 4. Here, how many are there? If you see from down, let's count it from upwards. 1, 2. This one is 3. This one is 4. And this one is 5. Okay, this one is 1 only. ये यहाँ से आपको दिख रहा है, स्लैंट कर रहे हो तो सिर्फ इसका साइड व्यू दिख रहा है. एंड वन मोर यू कैन सी हियर. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 is here. And how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here. And how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 cubes are here. Okay, so that was all here. And next is question number 7. Which of the following is a net of a cube? Okay, so what are they saying? कि आपको दिए हुए figures 4 दिए आपको, ठीक है. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. इनमें से कौन सा है जो क्यूब बन जाएगा आपको? तो again, I'll tell you the hint also. I'll tell you the activity also. Okay, so both you have to do. Hint you have to understand, activity you have to do. So here if you count the boxes children, I told you आपने dice तो देखी होगी ना, snake and ladder game खेलते हो तो आपने dice देखी होगी. And I told you in the beginning of the chapter that a die or a cube has 6 sides. Okay, 6 sides हैं. तो you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides दिखा रहे हैं. तो can it be a cube? No, it can't be a cube because a cube has only 6 sides. So this is wrong. So I've put a cross over here. But if you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides hai. So yes, it will make a cube. Count here this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this one will make a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 6 sides. So this one also make a cube. Will make a cube. Okay children, so this is how you have to find out. 6 sides are there, 6 sides, then it means that it can make a cube. Okay, first one was of 7 sides, so that is why it won't make a cube. So we have put a cross, and baki teenon figures mein we have put a tick mark. This one, and this one. Okay, so what you need to do in this activity is children, this is 7 sides, so you already, it is very clear, so you'll put a cross here. But these 3 figures, this one and this one, what you will do, you will again take a rough page. Okay, take a rough page, draw like this in the rough page, and then cut that rough page जैसा है ना, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 एग्जैक्टली ऐसा ही आप करोगे, ड्रॉ करोगे. एंड देन आप एग्जैक्टली इतना कट करोगे वो रफ पेज से. एंड देन यू विल ट्राई टू मेक अ क्यूब आउट ऑफ दिस फिगर. छोटा सा ही लेना, छोटा सा एकदम स्मॉल 10 सेंटीमीटर का पेज ले लो. ओके, 10 सेंटीमीटर विल बी 10 सेंटीमीटर भी बहुत बड़ा हो गया, 5 भी ले सकते हो आप. ओके, सो 5 सेंटीमीटर का एक साइड ले सकते हो आप. एंड देन मेक दिस फिगर एंड देन just try to fold it and try to make a cube out of these 3 figures, last 3. This is wrong. 7 side से तो cube बनेगा ही नहीं, but ये 3 आप try करके देखना. I had tried it but I can show you here, right? So that is why just draw it. Exactly draw करना है पेपर में, cutting करनी है पेपर को, and then आप उसका cube बना के try करोगे. Okay children, that was all. Question number 8 is, which is your last question children of this chapter. See, a very small chapter and a very simple one, है ना? So let's see the last chapter, which is draw matchbox models to look like. Okay, so what you need to do is, I told you about the 3D figures. If you see here, can you my drawing is not that good children, so I'm telling you already beforehand that my drawing is really bad, but still I've tried here to make a good drawing. So here I'm telling you, you have to use matchboxes. मैंने पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करके आपको हिंट बताए हैं, बट आप क्या करोगे, आप मैच बॉक्सेस यूज़ करोगे. ओके चिल्ड्रंस, सो you have to draw pyramid with the help of matchstick. You have to draw an arch of bridge with the help of matchstick. You have to draw stairs with the help of matchstick, and you have to draw cube with the help of matchstick. Okay, I'll help you out to how to draw these things easily. मैं आपको pyramid, arch of bridge, stairs and क्यूब बनाना सिखाती हूँ ईजी वे में. बट यू विल यूज़ योर ओन इनोवेटिव मेथड्स. अपने क्रिएटिव माइंड को यूज़ करो और मैथ स्टिक यूज़ करके आपको ये चीज़ें फिल करनी है, बनानी है यहाँ पे. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे स्पेस कम पड़ रहा है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इट इन योर क्लास नोटबुक, एंड इधर पे आप बुक में लिख सकते हो. दिस आंसर इज इन मैक्स नोटबुक. ओके, यहाँ पे मैंशन कर सकते हो. I'll teach you how to draw pyramid and all that very easily. So for pyramid, here I'm using my hands, so it won't be much good. Okay, but still I'll try. Okay, for drawing a pyramid, 3D pyramid, what you need to do is you just need to make a triangle. Okay, just need to make a triangle. Okay, ऐसे दो साइड बनाओगे ट्रायंगल के, and then what you will do here is एक बीच से पार्ट बनाओगे, बट यहाँ ये एक साइड आपका ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, एक साइड कम होना चाहिए. सो नीचे से ऐसे ड्रॉ करोगे एंड देन ऐसे. सो यू विल यूज़ 3 मैचस्टिक हियर. यू विल पुट 1 मैचस्टिक ओवर हियर, द अदर वन ओवर हियर, द अदर वन ओवर हियर, द अदर वन ओवर हियर एंड द अदर वन ओवर हियर. ओके, सो मैचस्टिक आप ऐसे यूज़ कर सकते हो. ओके, एंड देन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज आई हैव ड्रॉन हियर लाइन्स. ओके, like this I've drawn lines, so you can see how I'm making a pyramid, and the right one will be slanting one. You can see pyramid. Okay, here I have not drawn much better, but still. Okay, but still it is, I hope you might have understood how you can draw pyramid. Okay, okay, this way you can draw pyramid. Okay, so you have to put one matchstick, you can put it here, 1 2 3 4, and for middle part you need to cut the matchstick, and then यहाँ पे छोटा सा, and then यहाँ पे जो size है वो आपको कट करके stick करनी है. Okay, so this is how you can make a pyramid out of matchstick. I don't want anyone to draw it with pencil and send me. Okay, everyone will paste it with the help of matchstick, and then you will send me. Okay, अदरवाइज what usually children does is वो भी पेंसिल से कैसे भी ड्रॉ करते थे, डर्टी ड्रॉ कर देते, स्केल भी यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. Okay, so I don't want any of those things, so I want you all to use matchstick, because in the question it is clearly mentioned. Okay, it is clearly mentioned that use matchbox, draw matchbox models. Okay, so you have to use matchboxes, matchsticks. So I told you how to draw a pyramid, and then now I'll show you what is the arch of a bridge. Okay, usually what is the meaning of arches? A semicircle bended one. Okay, arch इसको बोला जाता है जो ऐसा. Okay, arch is called this one. This thing is called arch of a bridge. Okay, so how I have drawn, I'll just tell you how I have drawn. You can also use your creativity. I have just used 2 lines, so you can use 2 or 3 matchstick on the upside, 2 and 3 matchstick on the downside. And then what I have done is I've made an arch. Okay, I've done 2 partitions here like this. Here I've drawn lines. Here you can use matchsticks to paste here. Okay, and then I've drawn arch like this. Okay, this has to be touched. Okay, so this is the arch. Arch is a semicircle bended curve. Okay, this is a curve. Okay, I've not drawn properly because I'm using fingers right now, and then I've just used here to show like a bridge. Okay, so this is the bridge. You can use matchstick and make curve. How you'll make a curve? You can use matchstick like this. You can stick 1 matchstick here, you can stick 1 matchstick here, you can make it a curve, and then a pen use कर सकते हो matchstick के ऊपर, so that it will look like a curve. It is possible. Okay, so do like that. And next thing was stairs. So stairs is also simple. I have drawn the stairs also. You can also draw easy stairs like this. Okay, 2 matchsticks here, 2 3 matchsticks here, and then like this also you can draw stairs. Okay, like this also you can draw stairs. Otherwise you can use your own creativity and just draw the sketches. Okay, of the stairs. Use your matchsticks. Okay, creativity use कर रहे हो तो भी matchstick ही आप क्या करोगे, यूज़ करोगे. ओके, I'll teach you how to draw a cube. Okay children, so cube draw करना बहुत ही easy है. You can see here it looks like a 3D cube, है ना, especially the lower one. Okay, ये छोटा वाला it looks like 3D cube. So how you can draw it, it is very simple. How it is to be drawn is, first you will draw a square. Okay, first you will draw a square. First you will draw a square. Okay children, and then what you need to do is you will draw a square over here. Okay, okay, first square, wait, I'll try to draw straight, it is little bit slant. Okay, first you will draw a square. Okay, this is a square, and then यहाँ पे भी exact square बनाओगे आप. Okay, you have drawn two squares, one over here, this is your first square, second is here, you will make a square like this, and then what you need to do is draw join these lines. Here one line you will join, here two, here three, oh sorry, okay, here three, okay, and it is not touching. Okay, now okay. Okay, this is how you need to draw a cube. You can see here it looks like a cube. 3D दिख रहा है, हर side आपको दिख रहा है, all the sides you can see. I'll tell you again. Okay, one square you will draw here, the other square you will draw like this, and then you will join these edges. Not all the edges, you see how I'm joining edges. One square here, the other square here, and then first edge here, second edge here, third here, fourth here. Okay, so this is how you need to draw your cube. ये भी मैच स्टिक यूज़ करना है. फर्स्ट 4 मैच स्टिक्स आप यहाँ पे यूज़ करोगे, एंड देन 4 मैच स्टिक आप यहाँ पे यूज़ करोगे, एंड देन स्मॉल कट करोगे मैच स्टिक्स को, एंड 1 2 3 एंड 4 कट करके यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर दोगे. ओके, so do this children, do this is your homework, this is your activity also. So do all these questions. Your chapter is over now, so this is how you need to do it. Okay, don't draw it with pencils. I'm again telling you, use matchsticks. Okay, so your chapter is finished here, and see you in next lecture, and we'll start with a new chapter, tens and hundreds. Okay, so take care of yourself. See you in next lecture children. Bye bye.